KHASI
Pirang ba ke jela ukon rat ki sangma ula banjur hlo ka jingnang kiu jong ke Meghalaya ka jing elek kai football mat ula pro dak ru ya ka jing thmu jong ke jela ban kintiu ya ka jing elek kai football bokongsan ha ka than chatai lami ngi aba ai jingkran ha ka open training and media dia jong ka North East United FC ha Shillong man ta ka sngi umin tirang ba ula batai ya ka jing thmu ban pelong ya ka Meghalaya kum ka jakai elek kai football bokongsan ha ka than chatai lami ngi da ka bopen pau ya ka jing trailang bat ki kenhun na ka than umin tirang ba ka jelau lei kran ru halo ka football academy ka ban sawan ha ka jela bat ulai ro ru ya ki nong le kai ka North East United kum ki nong lam nuksa na ka benta ki samla ki we ai men siem ya ka pateng banwan
Ready, 1, 2, 3. And we are very hopeful that with Northeast United, with other clubs also, from the state, from the region also coming together, that Meghalaya will be a very important hub for football. And of course, with the setting up of the academy out here, I'm sure that is going to be a big boost to football as a whole. So you're not just playing for Northeast United, but you're also now playing for Meghalaya and the youngsters. So you're partnering and motivating. You're icons for the youth of our state.
Ya ka jingpen ina